If you are looking for the best hair dryer, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Remington D3190 Damage Protection Hair Dryer. This Remington hair dryer gets the job done well without breaking the bank. Plus, it has a lot of perks you'd get with more expensive dryers like ionic, ceramic, and tourmaline technology for smoother hair and less frizz. The 1875-watt max power motor means you're getting a quick dry, and 3 different heat settings and 2 different speed settings allow you to find the right custom setting for your hair type. Hit the cold shot button for cool air that locks in your carefully created styles. Number 2. Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer Hot Air Brush. With only 1,100 watts of power, this one's got some kick to it, but it's not as powerful as some hair dryers you'll find. Since it's a brush, you can get it close to your scalp, which makes it easier to add volume at the root of your hair. There's no need to be afraid of burning hot ends, either. Both tips of the brush remain cool. It reduces annoying static or frizzy hair by producing negative ions when you use it. This meets US safety requirements and features the ETL certification seal. Number 3. Conair 1875-watt full-size Pro Hair Dryer. When it comes to heat styling tools, it's a good idea to choose ceramic material. The heat created through ceramic is able to penetrate the hair shaft while maintaining the hydration in your tresses. Ceramic also heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly, so you can expose your locks to heat for a shorter amount of time. This includes tourmaline, which gives your hair an extra shot of negative ions that can lead to smoother tresses. This comes with 3 heat settings and 2 speed settings that allow people of all hair types to get the perfect blowout. Number 4. BaBylissPRO TT Tourmaline Titanium Travel Dryer. When you're looking for a travel hair dryer, you need convenience, portability, and power. The BaBylissPRO Tourmaline Travel Dryer is all of these and one of the best travel hair dryers for men. Dual voltage for worldwide usage makes travel use easy. The folding handle makes packing the dryer away quick and easy, and you won't believe how small and compact it actually is. Tourmaline crystals emit ions that dry hair faster, and the cold air button allows you to style. Number 5. Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. A hair dryer priced in the $400 range might sound a bit over the top, but Dyson went all out on this styling machine. It has a digital V9 motor in the handle that spins at up to 110,000 revolutions per minute and a microprocessor that monitors air temperature 20 times per second. This means that the dryer will work quickly to dry your hair, but it won't overheat your hair and cause excess damage. The dryer's diffuser and concentrator attachments are magnetic, so you can easily and seamlessly switch between attachments.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.